This is a tale of an exemplary vision, the chronicle of a bold industrial transformation, rooted in ambition, molded with supreme innovation and driven by data. This is from manual to miraculous, and the revolution has only just begun. Akij Resource began only with 6 ventures. Today, in under a decade, they have grown to 20 plus factories, each powered by automation, real-time intelligence, and operational precision. This documentary takes you inside just 3 of their standout facilities: Akij Cement, Akij Ispat, and Akij Poly Fibre, each one proving how technology can amplify, not replace, human capability. In numbers, the transformation is undeniable. At Akij Cement, automation now saves over 14 crore taka every year. At Akij Ispat, what once moved slowly at 10,500 metric tons per month now rolls confidently at 18,000 metric ton, marking a 70% surge in productivity. And at Akij Poly Fibre, the shift to intelligent defect detection has unlocked monthly savings of taka 700,000. As the world steps into the era of Industry 4.0, where AI, IoT, and smart analytics are redefining production flows, Akij Resource emerges as a pioneer in Bangladesh.
ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। আকিজ রিসোর্স পরিবারের গল্প নিয়ে আজকে কথা বলতেছি। প্রতিযোগী মার্কেটে আমাদেরকে টিকে থাকতে গেলে ডেফিনেটলি উই নিড টু ফোকাস অন বেস্ট প্র্যাকটিস as well as emerging practice. আমরা এখন যে জিনিসটা ফোকাস করতেছি সেটা হলো ট্রানজিশন টু বি আ গ্লোবাল প্লেয়ার। তো এই জন্য আমরা ওয়েস্টার্ন প্র্যাকটিসও করতেছি, যেটা হলো বিআই, বিজনেস ইন্টেলিজেন্স, লিন সিক্স সিগমা, আমরা কোয়ালিটি কন্ট্রোলের জন্য আমরা জাপানিজ প্র্যাকটিসও করতেছি, কাইজেন, এবং ইটস এ ব্লেন্ড অফ পিপল, প্রসেস এন্ড টেকনোলজি। সো হোয়াট উই আর এমিং ফর এ গ্লোবাল কোম্পানি।
অটোমেশন মানে আমরা মনে করি মানুষ বাদ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, বাট অটোমেশনে আমরা মানুষের ইফিসিয়েন্সি বাড়াচ্ছি। উই আর চেঞ্জিং সাম টুলস যেটা ইউজ করে 5 মিনিটের কাজ 2 মিনিটে হচ্ছে, 2 ঘন্টার কাজ 1 মিনিটে হচ্ছে। সো আমরা স্কিল ম্যান পাওয়ার, দক্ষ ম্যান পাওয়ার তৈরিতে আমাদের এই টেকনোলজি, আমাদের মেথোডোলজি আপনারা দেখে থাকবেন, সেই জিনিসপত্রগুলো আমরা ইউজ করেছি যেটা আমাদের ম্যান পাওয়ারকে অন্যভাবে বিল্ড আপ করতে চেষ্টা করতেছে। সো উই আর ফোকাসিং অন ভেরি মাচ ইন skill development of people by aligning with the digital tools.
Akij Ispat, smart steel begins here. The Central Control Room (CCR) now manages melting, rolling, weighing, and environmental systems from a unified platform. Before automation, these tasks were fragmented and manual, slowing productivity. Now real-time PLC data, VFDS, and human-machine interfaces drive faster, more accurate decisions. Moreover, the unknown system flags issues instantly across departments, cutting downtime, increasing transparency, and reducing both MTTR and MTBF.
The way we have summoned our multiple control rooms to central control room, we have enhanced our operational visibility and streamlined our process and machine control. What requires 9 people at a time now requires only 2. With the integration of unknown system and automation, we have reduced our mechanical breakdown to 20% and boosted our productivity by 70%. At Akij Ispat, CCR is not just a milestone. Through CCR, we have achieved and started our journey towards limitless.
In a furnace that reaches 1500 degrees Celsius, manual scrap loading was once high risk. Now, with crane automation and smart systems, Akij ensures safer, faster material handling with minimal human exposure.
Before automation, one operator per shift manually control the crane for scrap charging, taking about 3.8 minutes per cycle. Now the smelter simply just picks the scrap pickup position, selects the vibrator and presses start on the HMI. The crane does the rest on its own automatically. We have reduced the cycle time to 2.2 minutes, cut down energy use by 20%. Using BFBs, saving up to 2.5 lakh per year on electricity alone. Now there is no need for operator, so this enhances efficiency and safety.
Even scrap feeding is automated in Akij Ispat factory. The automated vibrator charging system enhances safety, improves charging speed, and reduces electricity use, streamlining the melting process.
Now with the vibrator charging system, the process is fully automated. Charging is smoother, faster and handled from the CCR. Manpower has reduced to one person only. As a result, the furnace efficiency has improved by over 30%, ensuring safety, reducing accident and manpower dependency.
And it doesn't stop there. Akij Ispat's air pollution control system captures harmful smoke and dust through baghouse filtration, ensuring cleaner air and safer working conditions. Certified under ISO 14001-2015 environmental management systems, Akij Ispat proves that profit doesn't have to come at the planet's expense.
During melting process, we have produced a lots of dust smoke which contain dust in the air that is very harmful for our environment and also for our manpower. So we set up a APC system, that means air pollution control system, and fully automated this system. With this system, we can effectively control the dust smoke and emit pure air to the environment, which is good for our environment and also for our manpower. As this process is fully automated, we can control the system from our CCR, the central control room. So the process is more effective and it is more productive for our production system.
Spread across 25 acres premises, Akij Cement has digitally re-engineered its operations. Compressor operations here are now fully centralized via SCADA system, reducing operator movement and cutting down time and energy loss by 5%.
Earlier, all plant compressor were operated manually from different location, which required manual monitoring and dedicated manpower engagement. This led inefficient. After achieving and integrating with the IoT and through the monitoring platform in SCADA, now the real-time monitoring and data decision making is very easier. No longer required physical monitoring and manpower engagement, as well as we have achieved 0.47% time productivity and overall operational efficiency.
In addition, the pump house, now automated with PLC and SCADA, allows remote monitoring and optimized water flow, which is very crucial for smooth milling.
Before automation, the pump house was operated manually, requiring operator and to be present physically. Now with SCADA and IoT implementation, pumps are automatically controlled and monitored remotely, improving reliability. Today, it's run without any manual involvement. This has led to a 4.76% improvement in our time productivity and overall operational efficiency.
Previously, the workers had to climb 180 feet to shut the silo gates, which was very risky and hazardous. Now, silo gate automation enables instant control from the CCR, improving safety, efficiency, and dispatch time.
Previously, all cement silo selection gate were operated manually due to the silo height around 180 feet. Now with automation, these gates are controlled remotely from the CCR. This has increased operational productivity and reduced delay. At Akij Resource, under the guidance of our Honorable MD Sir, we are moving towards the Industry 4.0 across the all SBOs to make operation more faster, smart and operational excellences.
Furthermore, Akij Cement's IoT dashboard centralizes operational insights, minimizing manual reporting, reallocating manpower, and accelerating decision-making.
Earlier, we monitor log machine data manually and shared all the data through phone calls and others platform like WhatsApp and Excel. To implement IoT dashboard that gives us real-time monitoring and automated reporting, improving decision making and reducing communication gaps.
In Akij Cement, the VRM2 mill now runs on an intelligent PID-based autopilot, automating feed rate, pressure and airflow adjustments. This reduces human error, energy waste and ensures smoother, safer output.
Operating the FLS mill was manual process. It required two person consistently monitor and adjust critical parameters like pressure and feed rate. It was inconsistent and was a suboptimal process. We developed and implemented a series of PID loops using ABB control builder, enabling the mill to operate in an autopilot mode. We have reduced the direct manpower needed for operation by 50% from 2 operators to just 1. More importantly, the system precision has stabilized the entire process. This has led to a consistent 4% increase in mill throughput and a 2% reduction in specific power consumption, making our operation not only more efficient but also more sustainable.
Also, in case of an emergency, the undone system alerts cross-functional teams instantly, slashing communication delays and enabling real-time OEE and MTTR tracking.
Previously, our plan relied on manual communication to address machine problems, which led to significant delays in addressing issues. By automating the alert process, we have reduced the mean time to repair or MTTR by 16 minutes per incident.
On over 160,000 square feet floor, Akij Poly Fibre proves that precision pays off. Today, it operates with a 0.03% defect rate, the lowest in Bangladesh, and produces 2,100 more bags per day than before automation. It now supplies the best quality bags to leading multinational companies, government organizations, and all Akij ventures. Their camera-based defect detection eliminates manual checks, reducing rework, improving consistency, and saving over 60,000 taka per month.
The automatic bag defect system reduced manpower from 12 to just 2 people. Before 3 workers per shift were needed across 3 shifts. Now only 1 machine operator and 1 worker can do the job. It's faster and much more accurate. Accuracy improved to 90%, manpower reduced by 50%, faster defect handling means zero bottleneck during peak production.
In Akij Poly Fibre, PE liner machine automates linear cutting, placing and sewing in one smooth flow, reducing time, improving consistency and cutting labor dependency.
Before the PE liner insertion machine was installed, 66 people were needed each day to do work by hand. Now with the PE liner install machine, only 9 people are needed. The machine does all the steps, making the process faster, easier, and with fewer mistakes. It's a big improvement.
The in-house engineered Hercules drive system lifts 85 to 90 kg loads with ease, replacing outdated tech and eliminating the need for costly imports.
Hercules, it is a robotic arm. After automation with the pneumatic robotic arm, we are managing the process fully automated. Before automation, 6 persons were involved in the process, and after automation, 1 person is involved in the process. This process increase productivity 180 bundle per day, improve efficiency 12.5% and reducing manpower 83.3%.
What truly powers Akij Resource is not just technology, but people. Across all Akij Resources factories, this philosophy is more than policy, it's practice. Every Akij Resource factory is equipped with in-house treatment centers, ensuring immediate healthcare for the workers. The Daily Management System, DMS, tracks performance, floor reviews, safety, and team updates in real time. Over 1,000 management staff have been trained in Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, building a workforce that's structured, sharp, and solution-oriented. With Six Sigma, waste is reduced, variability is minimized, and cross-functional teams drive measurable improvements. This focus has already led to a 15% reduction in workplace accidents. At Akij Resources, all factories, OEE is used as a core metric to measure how effectively machines and equipment are utilized. To maintain clarity, Akij follows the single source of truth, SSOT, one centralized standard across every line, every shift. The quality control plans and proactive audits ensure that defects are prevented and not just detected. In addition, Kaizen culture encourages ground-up innovation via idea cards and problem cards submitted by every employee. Finally, the real-time visual tracking boards display metrics, targets, and alerts, fueling transparency and team accountability. From dust to data, from sweat to systems, from manual to miraculous, Akij Resources' journey is not just about automating factories. It's about redefining what excellence looks like in Bangladesh's industrial future. This isn't just transformation. It's a blueprint for how we build smarter, safer, and more sustainable industries.